We all want a sparkling clean home, right? A place where everything shines and smells fresh, a sanctuary from the outside world. But what if that sparkling shine came with a hidden cost to your health? It's a thought that rarely crosses our minds as we scrub, spray, and polish. It turns out, many conventional cleaning products contain a cocktail of chemicals that could be doing serious damage, not just to surfaces but to our bodies as well. And it's not just about a quick cough from a strong-smelling spray. These chemicals can linger in the air, on surfaces, and even in our lungs. A groundbreaking study from Norway found a disturbing link between using common household cleaning products and long-term lung damage. This isn't just a minor irritation, it's a serious health risk. The study, published in the prestigious American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine, discovered that regularly using these products could be as harmful to your lungs as smoking a pack of cigarettes a day. Imagine the impact of inhaling those chemicals day in and day out. Before you dismiss this as an exaggeration, the researchers weren't talking about a quick spritz here and there, they were examining the cumulative effects of long-term exposure, especially for women who often shoulder a larger burden of household chores. The risk is even greater. The study highlighted that these individuals are more likely to suffer from chronic respiratory issues. The findings point to an alarming trend, that our quest for a spotless home could be silently harming our respiratory health. It's a wake-up call to reconsider the products we use and the potential long-term effects on our well-being. So what can we do? Opt for eco-friendly cleaning products, ensure proper ventilation while cleaning, and be mindful of the ingredients in the products we bring into our homes. A clean home shouldn't come at the cost of dirty lungs. Let's strive for a home that's not only clean, but also safe for everyone who lives in it. After all, true cleanliness is about more than just appearances. It's about health and well-being too. The Norwegian study sent shockwaves through the health community, revealing a hidden danger in our homes that many of us never suspected. But how exactly can cleaning products inflict so much damage? The answer lies in the very ingredients that promise to keep our homes spotless. The culprit lies in the powerful chemicals lurking within those seemingly innocent bottles. These chemicals are designed to break down dirt and grime, but they also break down our health. One of the biggest offenders is a group known as volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These compounds are not just in one or two products, they are pervasive. VOCs are found in a wide range of cleaning products, from aerosol sprays and air fresheners to chlorine bleach, furniture polish, and even some all-purpose cleaners. They are everywhere, and even some all-purpose cleaners. These products are marketed as essential for a clean home, but at what cost? These chemicals easily evaporate into the air, where we breathe them in, triggering a cascade of negative health effects. The air inside our homes can become more polluted than the air outside. Think about that clean smell that often lingers after using certain products. That's VOCs at work. While it might smell fresh, it's a sign of potential harm. While a fresh scent might seem harmless, these chemicals can irritate the lungs, exacerbate asthma symptoms, and even contribute to chronic respiratory problems over time. The impact is especially severe for those with pre-existing conditions. It's crucial to be aware of what we're bringing into our homes and the potential long-term effects on our health. The next time you reach for that cleaner, think about what else you might be spraying into the air. The problem with many conventional cleaning products goes beyond just VOCs or volatile organic compounds, which are already known to contribute to indoor air pollution and respiratory issues. Many manufacturers hide behind vague labeling practices, listing ingredients as fragrance or surfactants without revealing their true chemical makeup. These terms can mask a cocktail of potentially harmful chemicals, including endocrine disruptors and allergens. This lack of transparency makes it nearly impossible for consumers to make informed choices about the products they bring into their homes. Without clear information, we are left guessing about the safety and environmental impact of these products. What's more, emerging research suggests that our obsession with sanitizing every surface could be doing more harm than good, especially for developing immune systems. Over-sanitization can prevent children from being exposed to everyday germs that help build their immune defenses. While it's important to maintain a clean home, overexposure to harsh chemicals can actually disrupt the balance of our microbiome, the trillions of beneficial bacteria that live in and on our bodies. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in our overall health, aiding in digestion, protecting against pathogens, and even influencing our mood and mental health. This disruption can weaken our immune defenses, potentially increasing our susceptibility to allergies, autoimmune disorders, and even mental health issues. It's a delicate balance, and one that requires us to be more mindful of the products we use in our daily lives. By opting for natural and eco-friendly alternatives, we can protect our health and the environment. Alright, so let's talk about something really important: ditching the chemicals. You know, those harsh cleaners and sprays that can be pretty harmful? Yeah, it's time to say goodbye to them. Instead, opt for natural alternatives. Trust me, your home and your health will thank you. Now it's time to take charge of your home's health. It might seem like a big task, but small steps can make a huge difference. Start by improving air quality, using natural cleaning products, and reducing clutter. Your home should be a sanctuary, not a source of stress. So there you have it. Simple, effective ways to create a healthier home environment. Now it's your turn. Take action today and make these changes. Your family deserves a safe and healthy living space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tips and tricks. See you next time.